Welcome back, content creators. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect voiceover for your projects, whether for YouTube videos, podcasts, or courses, today you're in for a treat. Meet Lazybird, an AI-powered voiceover tool that's changing the game. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into the top 5 reasons why Lazybird might just be the best AI voiceover tool for your needs. Let's get started. In the fast-paced world of content creation, audio can make or break your project. But hiring professional voiceover artists can get expensive, and finding the right voice can take time. That's where Lazybird comes in. This AI-driven platform offers over 200 lifelike voices in more than 100 languages, giving you the flexibility to create professional audio content all at the click of a button. Reason number 1, unmatched voice customization. Lazybird allows you to adjust pitch, speed, tone, and even pauses to fit your content's mood and pacing. Whether you want a calm, professional tone or a more energetic, upbeat voice, Lazybird gives you total control over how your voiceovers sound. Reason number 2, global reach. Lazybird supports over 100 languages, so no matter where your audience is, you can speak their language. Plus, it includes a variety of accents, whether you want a neutral accent or something with a regional flavor. This is perfect for content creators looking to connect with a worldwide audience. Reason number 3, unlimited exports. Many voiceover tools limit how many downloads you can make, but not Lazybird. You can export as many voiceovers as you need in MP3, WAV, or OGG formats. No limits, no restrictions, and no hassle when you need to create tons of content. Reason number 4, affordable pricing. Unlike many competitors who use a subscription model, Lazybird offers a one-time lifetime deal. This means you get access to over 200 voices and all its features with just a single payment. For content creators, this is a huge cost-saving advantage. Reason number 5, future-ready with voice cloning. Lazybird is working on introducing voice cloning, which will let you create custom voices based on your preferences. This is a game changer for creating unique, branded voiceovers that stand out from the crowd. So there you have it. Lazybird is a versatile, powerful, and budget-friendly solution for all your voiceover needs. With customizable voices, global language support, unlimited exports, and a lifetime deal, Lazybird offers incredible value for content creators. And with the upcoming voice cloning feature, it's only going to get better. If you're ready to elevate your audio game, Lazybird is definitely worth considering. Get your lifetime access today and start creating high-quality voiceovers without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and remember, create content that speaks to your audience.